Y'all know what time it is.
Painted the bottom black already. Working on this. Got everything all taped off for paint. Now I got the sides back as far as I wanted to paint it done. See? There it is with the tape off painted. That right there, for some reason, won't fill, and that's part of the top. Redid the lid, and then I painted the hinges black. Cleaned all that and put it all back together. Alright, got the fabric put on the front of it. Getting closer. Here's the before. Got the wood cut down to 6 inches. Sanded the wood down. There's where my beer faucet and shank's gonna go. Dead center. Next, polyurethane the wood, so it'll look a lot different. But that'll give you an idea. There it is, with clear coat on the wood, the lid on it. As you can see, got the hinges, which I don't think you can see because I can't see. But got the, there we go, got the hinges mounted on there. Here's what it's looking like so far. Well, now I got the top on. Got the adhesive on it between the wood and the freezer. Now just wait a few days for it to dry. Alright, got the outside, I got the boards sealed in. And I got the inside caulked so no cold air can get out. That way the beer is nice and cold. You can see I got the keg there. And this keg I got from Mayday Brewery. I got it wrapped up. Got the horseshoe on it, bottle opener. Now I just gotta put the beer faucet and a temperature controller. It should be ready to rock. Alright, so this is the Keezer completed. Of course the keg's still empty, so it's not really complete. But this is the Keezer completed. And there's my temperature control set to 38 degrees. Missing 2 bottles out of this collection. But there, that is it. It is done, minus the brew inside.
She just says, you know, I do